time na Alban Babin ekasa parliament ye ka trumu asem say ya pass bill na wie no Afenyo ma ke oman a ye tremu a nipa bi se omo ye trumu o se be ma fa be ma o ba fa be ma o a sebio ye be ye mra etia omo no ono Afenyo ma ke ne ka say saa nipa na ye mra tia omo te se trumu fo no saa oman no enye oman ana kuro a nipa tumi tinem ebobra. When we saw my starting, I said, Mama Hammer and pass a bill. For the past 2 days, Omujina to say, Omon bill never come Hammer. That is Mahamudu Bawumia. That is a representation. Nitila Bawumia can never come out and speak against Trumu, even though a criminal. On to me, Enka. These are his words on Facebook. Now, Obibaka say, hey, Afenyo can make a statement with time and a kufuad was so, time and a Bawumia was so. Mo catch and say, so Oma ho quiet near pass a bill now. Omo Mudisika Bre Bawumia and NPP. May the election and ya diom. After all these things, a year the Parliament of Ghana a pass bill a year the Anti-LGBTQ bill. I'm a Ghana for you share with TV so you who NPP for and you who NDC for penny for more parliament. Etna parliament edge bill no tumu Emma Ghana for you boy in sim say jebo and the impeni for omudi edom kuma any edom kesi in our parliament no a year the parliamentarians their leadership we're all in parliament and you pass a bill Sibio etia trumu I was a president of the republic eden en sashase nebeye mra. Now ade we nyina sibie no na ade ache na emun sensem bebre esi. Now and ye sorry no de ye hu no parliament enie the speaker of parliament time and pass bill no onti akonwom Sibio the deputies ewo tumi a owoni bi pepepe. And remember so as we copy parliament to say the deputy speaker of parliament or to me to say speaker of parliament ana time na NPP what power no so as way edumbre bi ma Joe Wise kotena konwom pass mra bi parliament e ma ye nyina e ka say na Joe Wise or deputy speaker of parliament no e den onya to me etumi pass ana say etna parliament as the speaker e ma mra pass Afenyo makin de asem no command the girlfriend tokonu enunu ne to kakra se onka nche Ghana fo nyina se oseche mensa Joe Wise wo nyansa or tumi etise speaker of parliament nankasa as a deputy no or the same tumi a obetumi di dwuma etise speaker of parliament. It Afenyo makin din nsa kwahye tokonu to wie nunu ne to a onya saa de response no ena obegina parliament ka che se dwuma dia tokonu ediye Joe Wise ediye as the deputy speaker of parliament no krojin Supreme Court krajiatum ema Alban Bagbin nankasa speaker of parliament ne sabetena sika se ampa se oniwo na se obi hye mpobwa as deputy first deputy or second deputy etna akonwom esebio preside ana odi enim ema ye passe emra bi o parliament ni nyina te se ono Alban Bagbin a passe emra. Inti nyina etiase because a democratic country ye nyina yebu Supreme Court no ene yedi enidie ema Alban Bagbin ewo asema okai ho endra ye ko passe saa emra trumu emra no ewo parliament na the deputy speaker ahiafo ena na etia konwom. Now the most interesting thing then say omo pass bill no na the minority leader sebio MPP for no penifo nyina ewo ho Patricia PJ Afenyo Makin nkofo na makanya no mo te parliament. Over the other side so majority ayarga ne nkofo na wo ho na ayarga deputy no nyina wo ho. In fact oba edom kuma na nipa na sebio sponsor omo no mo de sa bill no eba parliament say yem pass no sofu mokotrumudifo intrumfo dwo no na ono so tewa sebio oka ho eme pass mra no. Enti as Ghanaians who have followed parliamentary proceedings senior parliament dwumadie ekone eba no nyina ebehu se mpanifo a ene politicians a omudi Ghana mra enim ewo parliament no omu nyina agitumu etiem kan efri se time na ahiafo etiem ka se obi etia bill ya ebe pass mante se obi bowa eka se dabi bitia. That means say na obi a owodam obi a no agitumu se emra na ye ebe pass no amana ede akoma president assign mana beda ne emra kronkron no obi aniwa sebio na onjintumu se yem pass. Enti you could see say omu nyina no agitumu se omu yeden yem pass emra no. Now adiachi ena speaker of parliament Alban Bagbin ebetena konwom. Now obetena konwom no ene okansem bi parliament. In fact before oba parliament no enra or the same to just say, or no, you speaker of parliament, no, they're not a cost of parliament, in fact, not onim who bibia. Na anka bibia chen say, na bibi say never cost of parliament. That is fine. Na and so about parliament, no, oba ebe kan sa bill we hun asem e parliament. Na utie na no asem na, and I quote him, was say, such a course, if adopted by the House, will neither be an abandonment of the bill nor a rejection of its objectives. Speaker Alban Bagbin says his directive for the reconsideration of the anti-LGBTQ bill, which has passed last Friday, should not be misconstrued. Should not be misconstrued as Parliament abandoning the proposed legislation. Or say, and there, obetina Parliament no can send me. Na obodi tofani nyina osi de oka nyina ne say Parliament emra o mahye a etia trumu a ono Alban Bagbin se bi wakasa fa ho say wo say ye pass mra e mani tia trumu suban e wo Ghana no o say ono de ende oba Parliament de obeka kire mu nyina ne say dwumade a omudi ya omofa so e pass emra no se bi ono de dwumade no ohun ne say bone na se bi ohun ne say Jumadie no was say Jumadie bia omodi a sebio emfa wontwimba obia ente ne ho ase ye ko enim no oman ni nyina ye de akoma pa bedi akire into one de all kan say sebio adwenkyire a o kire no adwenkyire a o kire fa bill no mo pass ne Friday no enkire say bill no mo pass no sebio eningyina so ana sebio omode ekwan bone so ne pass no so de o kire adwene say mra na ya pass no emfa sebio wentwimba na nipa bi abo enjo ana say den amanfo bi emfa bitterness entena kuruma ebema nyoma ayabasa itimema obi engina no ensi bone momenkotie Alban Bagbin asama okan of parliament ende biwia na edwudwa ensem bi mu akire Ghana fo.
Honorable members, concerns relating to the application and effect of orders 170, 171, and 172 of the standing orders of the House have been raised. Order 172 requires that amendments agreed to during consideration stage of a bill be captured accurately, appropriately, and incorporated into the bill. Order 173 further provides that at the end of the consideration stage of a bill, the clerk shall cause to be incorporated in the bill the amendments agreed to by the House, where practicable, and make available the amended bill to members before the third reading of the bill. Order 171 provides a further safeguard by permitting a member immediately before third reading to move that the bill passes through a second consideration, either wholly or in respect of a particular part or parts of the bill, or some proposed new clause or new schedule. Order 172 sub Order 1 also states that, and I quote, where a bill has passed through the consideration stage, the third reading shall not be taken until at least one sitting day has elapsed, unquote. Honorable members, while the House possesses the power under Order 3 to suspend any standing order with the leave of the House, it did not do so this time. The purpose underlying orders 170, 171, and 172 is clear. These provisions exist to ensure that members are afforded a meaningful opportunity to know with certainty the exact text of a bill upon which they are called to take a final legislative decision, and to permit adequate reflection before the House finally commits itself to a legislative position. In the aftermath of the proceedings of the House on Friday, concerns have been raised as to whether the final text of the bill, incorporating all amendments agreed to during the consideration stage, was available to members in a manner that enabled them to fully appreciate the exact form of the final bill before the third reading and ultimate passage into law. I have also taken note of concerns expressed by some honorable members that amendments adopted during the consideration stage did not reflect the position taken by the committee, as stated in the conclusion of the committee's report, to which, and I quote, "The committee, having carefully considered the bill, unanimously recommends," unquote, "its passage to the House." Unanimously recommends its passage to the House. Neither did the proceedings of that day convey the unanimity nor bipartisan understanding upon which the bill was initially promoted and deliberated upon. Whether or not these concerns raised on the floor and the public discourse are ultimately justified is not for the Speaker to determine. There are, however, concerns that go to the heart of parliamentary consensus and the confidence of the people and members in the legislative process. Honorable,
this statement is consistent with my obligation under Order 24B of the Standing Orders to promote consensus on matters under consideration in the House. It is with this conviction that I invite honorable members to reflect on whether further consideration of this matter may better secure the confidence, unity, collective ownership of the bill, and respect of our faith, laws, and passion of the nation. Accordingly, I respectfully appeal to honorable members to reflect carefully upon the issues raised and to consider in the larger national interests the bipartisan character of the bill, the unity of the House and the nation, and the need to maintain the highest standards of procedural integrity to revisit its decision on the third reading of the bill to permit a reconsideration of the final text of the bill and any amendments thereto. Such a course, if adopted by the House, would not be an abandonment of the bill, nor a rejection of its objectives. Rather, it will represent a reaffirmation of Parliament's commitment to due process, fidelity to the Constitution, consensus building, transparency, and legislative certainty. It will ensure that any final decision taken by the House reflects not only the will of Parliament, but also the fullest support of Ghanaians in the law that is ultimately enacted. Honorable members, I remain confident that honorable members will approach this matter with wisdom, patriotism, mutual respect, and a shared commitment to the integrity of our parliamentary democracy and the dignity of this House.
So that was the Speaker of Parliament. I would like to applaud him and congratulate Alban Bagbin for his honest opinion. And there's one thing I like about Alban Bagbin. He pays attention to details. Every time there will be Council of Parliament, that's one can be in the context that he's quick to correct the person, because context and words are very important. And the reason why I'm saying, say, in some Alban Bagbin can in the I'm applauding him, and then I say, it was his opinion. He used some very important words. He used a word like advice. He used words like respectfully. He used words like consider. And he used words like appeal. So that means Alban Bagbin did not emphatically say, the bill that has been passed is illegal. Yetimi kobo football match. Na time abo na ekoso no. Na players bi di ntokwa ejinemu. Na coach bi di nwa akojim. Na referee be pata. And a typical example is match a ekoso a players mienu no mo kontokwa na coach di nwa akojim na referee be pata ni amobi red card. Be 10 minutes ni nyina akotena se asa start match no. Na yebo na player bi akobutu player foforo na coach bi akoso bi no atwe na egidi ni amobi yellow card ni amobi red card ni apata ni asa to aso. The match is supposed to be played for 90 minutes. So see during the match one, some of the supporters get agitated. In fact, players no begin pitch in the some of them do not even agree with the referee when after Ntokwani Sino referee show omo player red card. Some players don't understand say other any player man red card or yellow card. So there's a lot of agitation which during the game some people are also in support of the referee's action. So red card and that's yellow card. Some people to do what? They support the referee's action. It's a game which we break 15 times. It's a FIFA game. Now match commissioners to war. Now assistant commissioner to war. Now observers to war. Now supporters to share. One match yet to be breaking about 16 times. Still, referee did ball no my pong. The issue here is some supporters be because a match where the inflow cry. Obi beka say match where the adena players no omu defend sa akwaba kuno kotia coach no anya de ba ko say oh do tia coach no ya de pa match where adena about 10 minutes ya na ejina. But the most important thing is the referee ball ben ni mu a upon all these reservations amankofo because kotoko pa de na me say kotoko player betima you say has player where the team one dey dodo adena okotia obi. But at the end of the day the referee ball whistle now that game is officially off. And what happens in say Hearts anakotoko sheno get 3 points now. Officially, the Ghana Football Association considers that win as a win. Even though it had some hiccups, the match itself did not flow the way the supporters wanted. It did not flow the way the coaches wanted. It did not flow the way even the referee in the middle of the game wanted. But that 90 minutes, the referee has been able to supervise the game. FIFA, a man of rules and regulations to work within, upon game. So Alban Bagbin, as someone can say, I really appreciate what he did today because one, he did not say the bill that was passed was illegal. Even though the process that led to the passing of the bill, it wasn't as fluid as every single day, yet not parliamentary, yet pass the bill. But he did not at any point emphatically say that bill that has been passed by the Republic of Ghana's parliament, majority and minority, it is illegal. So there's one thing we all need to understand. The bill that was passed on Friday is legal. And nobody can contest that. That is why when Alban Bagbin was speaking, he was very careful in his words. He used words as advise you members. They appeal to you members. And they respectfully appealing. And we used to word to say they consider national interests. Said two soccer teams, Bobo or Pages, so now refugee. They all have to consider the supporters, their interest. The nation as Ghana, the league, they need to sell a picture out there that people who don't even know Ghana league for the first time on motion because league with you more there. He was just doing what? Advising and appealing. Alban Bagbin's statement and then does not and will never be able to discredit the bill that was passed. And we need to understand that. And I like the way he put his statement. Because you see, at a point, or say, some members of the House disagree or are not happy about the way things went. It is their opinion. Some players in Accra Hearts of Oak were not happy with the reaction of the referee when their goalkeeper stepped on the Kotoko striker. It is their opinion. But the referee has the sole responsibility to make sure the game is played fair and squarely. So the referee goes in and makes sure that Sautia will be a red card and a side foul against you. So you need to understand, say, Alban Bagbin has admitted that the bill was passed legitimately. Maybe some members felt that the bill wasn't passed the way they wanted it to be passed. And some members too in the House feel that the process that the bill went through was perfect. So Alban Bagbin is basically sharing his opinion. He's not even going after anybody. He's basically confirming that the bill that was passed is legitimate. And that is what is more important. The infractions, the hiccups, the breaks in passing the bill at the end of the day is up to us not to repeat the same again, because nationally we need to respect ourselves. That one can be dealt with. It is normal. It happens. Even Parliament of Ghana, at a point there was a fight. Even Parliament of Ghana, when Alban Bagbin was being elected as the Speaker of Parliament, somebody during his election, somebody stole the election papers, stole the ballot box. All those things, we at the end of the day crossed it, because it is something that is about people. It is about our image. It is up to us to understand we need to protect it. That's it. But it does not change. That is why time and to Alban Bagbin swabano obi we a ballot box. No, we did not stop the elections. The Electoral Commission went ahead and pronounced who won for Alban Bagbin to become the Speaker. That thing that happened in Parliament that day by Carlos Ahenkra, it basically tainted Parliament of Ghana. It gave us a bad name, but the process, after the process was completed, Alban Bagbin was made the Speaker of Parliament. So I'm very happy that Alban Bagbin, when he was given opportunity today to speak in Parliament, he never discredited the passing of the bill. He had issues with the peripheries and the processes that ended up in Parliament. And the honest truth is, I like Alban Bagbin's stance because, one, he does not represent anybody in Ghana, with all due respect, in Parliament. Alban Bagbin is basically a supervisor, or any Speaker of Parliament is a supervisor of parliamentary proceedings. The members of Parliament who sat in Parliament, the minority leader, the majority leader, those caucus, the sponsors, they represent the people of Ghana. And at the end of the day, they unanimously agreed that the bill should be passed. So it means that the people's representatives are happy. Some representatives who are not happy cannot overshadow or take those who are happy, their rights from them. So it is obvious. Some people will be happy about it, some wouldn't be happy about it. But the fact of the case is, the representatives of the people came together that day. Their leadership admitted, and nobody raised an issue that what Ahiafo was doing was wrong and that they will not allow the bill to be passed. All that they raised was that they also feel that some things were supposed to be added and taken out. It is normal. We share ideas. We share opinion. So I would say Alban Bagbin has put this case to rest. Alban Bagbin today, Wamagana for United say, sa bill no more passing or Parliament, it is legitimate. If Alban Bagbin had said that the bill was not right, it is not legitimate, then I will have an issue with Alban Bagbin. But from what I heard him say, and remember, in his words, the last part, he says, Speaker Alban Bagbin says his directive for the reconsideration, that means he is not demanding. He is suggesting, he is appealing. Alban Bagbin knows his place. He knows that he cannot force Parliament to do what he wants, because Parliament is the representatives of people. He's just a referee. So he can just suggest. He can just advise. He can just appeal respectfully. Alban Bagbin cannot say he is Parliament and whatever happened on Friday is illegitimate. He can't, because he believes and respects the Constitution of Ghana. That is why I'm saying that I applaud him for his statement today, because he clearly, because look at the last part of his statement, or say, Alban Bagbin says his directive for the reconsideration of the anti-LGBT bill, which was passed last Friday, should not be construed. Should not be construed. Meaning, or say, akomapa, ahobrasiye, any a footwo, any sebio na adwini mu no de o kan mema obi embeso na no nka se ono ya den she Parliament say bill no mo pass ye na enye papa. No. Or say Parliament de omo ye no ebia na weni nje ho, ebia anko se ne awopɛ, ebia odo krampo no bon hye de hu ni se ejina na so na momu no. The game that was played in Accra Sports Stadium against Hearts and Kotoko, So many things happen. I'm for the red card into Kwasimuno. At the end of the day, the Ghana Football Association, referee the bar Bawumia match commissioner show report. It is a legitimate match. Into the bill, Alban Babi catch Ghana for say it is legitimate. And one no. So nobody should have an issue with Babin. Babin has actually concluded this matter. What confirm say nobody should stand anywhere else and say bill no, it was illegally passed. Now Alban Babin can say the majority leader in parliament a year Ayariga, he granted an interview at Joy News. Now then okay, I will say there is nothing to reconsider. He has his opinion. Also ayene Juma. So Alban Babin say respectfully, he's appealing. He is basically advising that the bill should be reconsidered. It means Alban Bagbin is sharing an opinion. Honestly say, to him, what Parliament did as the leader of the majority, and before him, the minority leader, he sees to say, there's nothing to be reconsidered because every single step they took that day was legitimate. Let's listen to Ayariga when he was interviewed this evening.
I'm grateful to you for joining us. Now, the speaker is pleading with you to have a reconsideration of the bill if passed. What's your reaction?
Well, I mean, my view is that there's really nothing to reconsider. We promised Ghanaians that we will pass a law prohibiting LGBTQ. We will pass a law prohibiting the promotion of LGBTQ. We will pass a law that does not allow us to recognize marriage by people of the same gender, and will pass a law punishing people who are luring children into the practice, and also punish those who are financing and sponsoring their promotion. Those are the key commitments that we made to the Ghanaian public. And if you take the bill, all those are clearly stated. They are defined as offenses, and nobody will go scot-free if caught engaged in any of these things.
I'm grateful to you for joining us. Now, the speaker is pleading with you to have a reconsideration of the bill if passed. What's your reaction?
Well, I mean, my view is that there's really nothing to reconsider. We promised Ghanaians that we will pass a law prohibiting LGBTQ. We will pass a law prohibiting the promotion of LGBTQ. We will pass a law that does not allow us to recognize marriage by people of the same gender. And we will pass a law punishing people who are luring children into the practice, and also punish those who are financing and sponsoring their promotion. Those are the key commitments that we made to the Ghanaian public. And if you take the bill, all those are clearly stated. They are defined as offenses, and nobody will go scot-free if caught engaged in any of these things.
I'm grateful
That's
to you
it.
for joining.
The majority leader say, to him and to you, the Ghanaian people who followed proceedings in Parliament, Parliament of Ghana, Eshe Ghana bosse, ombe passe emra itia trumu. Ombe passe emra bema ene bema entuminna. Ombe passe emra oba ne oba entuminna. Ombe passe emra omwa omudi sikabe shechiri ema trumu akoso no yebetumi abre omwase ema sebio omudwumade ne entumi nkoso. Omuka se ombe passe emra nyoma yetia se Ghana fo a yenya yakoma empire efa trumu no yebegina no anase yede mra beba ebebre na se ana ebeye firi ho. Ose to him as the majority leader oni ne nuanom a omo minority no Afenyo makindi omanima omo tena parliament no obie niwa osori ka se edwuma di omudi no enimrem into to ono no Alban Bagbin die wa kire na adwene senka Alban Bagbin sebio onim se owo bibi obetume gina so aka se emra wenti de moye no etia Ghana mra na muntumi nya ankokaye. But Alban Bagbin could not make a statement, could not bring out anything to say because of this and that. Alban Bagbin was basically a motivational speaker in Parliament today. And everybody has a right to motivate, to speak on issues, to share their opinion. He has the right because he's the Speaker of Parliament. But Emra decided say what they did on Friday, say Asha Samrano, Etia Samrano, Alban Bagbin could not put any of them out. To him, he has done his job. The majority, they have done their job. Parliamentarians had a Speaker of Parliament. They have delivered. So he does not see any reconsideration here. And I think this man is an intelligent man. Because your moment you must simple. And you man omni NPP for you aye. So Alban Bagbin, as a leader and as an old man, as a respectable man, he has the right, even people like us. And let me tell you, when it comes to Parliament of Ghana, with all due respect to Alban Bagbin, he is like me. He does not represent anybody. With all due respect, he does not represent a constituency. Alban Bagbin does not represent any village, any town. Alban Bagbin is a referee in Parliament. His job is to oversee the proceedings to make sure that the law basically is enhanced. That's it. And as somebody, with all due respect, who does not represent a constituency, sharing his opinion cannot change the fact that the bill that was passed was legitimately passed. That's it. And Alban Bagbin has put a seal on this matter. He has basically shared his opinion, but he has insisted that the bill that was passed was legitimate. You might not agree with God, but you cannot also take from God what he created. You have every right to believe in whatever you want to believe in. You can choose to be a Muslim. You can choose to be a Christian. You can choose to be a Buddhist. You can choose to be a traditionalist. But one thing that remains is that the Almighty Allah is still the Almighty Allah. You cannot take his potency from him. You can choose to believe in whatever you want to believe. Alban Bagbin can choose to advise and have an opinion on what the process. But the fact of the case is that Parliament came together to pass a bill. And we all, at this point, the grammar, the Nsemkeka, the Alban Bagbin, it will not change anything. The bill has been passed. And that is what we need to stick to. Now, time I know Mokasa Parliament, team, stay with me. Time I know Mokasa Parliament, team. I'll deal with that, don't worry. Thank you, Mr. P. I'll deal with them. Don't worry. This is before they are animals. I'll deal with them. Now, time I know what Parliament, church and semu ejujum ama Ghana for nyina ehuno. Na the minority leader Afenyo marking. Yesterday they went into a crunch meeting with the flag bearer Mahamudu Bawumia. Endra Najo. And I told you Endra Tamambia production and I say Mahamudu Bawumia, his campaign, majority of the campaign sikano free Europe and the Qatar. Now, Mahamudu Bawumia, from the time I started trumu Ghana. Yesterday I said it. Me say Mahamudu Bawumia has not been bold enough to say trumu mi enkremoni mitia. He has never been able to do it. The reason is that the campaign is being funded by Europeans who are involved in LGBTQ. Most of his sponsors. Now, what happened yesterday was there was a crunch meeting, and Mahamudu Bawumia made Afenyo Markin understand say, your stance no one yen to mean to say your stance. Say John Mahama pass a bill now. What is going to happen is 2028 year co-election we are not going to get money from outside to run our campaign. It's Afenyo Markin for a long time. He has been consistent when it comes to Trumu, and he has always defended Trumu for. But you see, because he has a deal with the flag bearer, say Obe Kipino as the minority leader, he is going to go all out. That is what happened. And we saw Afenyo Markin go all out. Defend the Trumu. Anything sorry, we saw say Afenyo Markin Ghana for Moshe. Afenyo Markin call on one social media platform so. And in summer okan in there on Facebook and then the Twitter no. Everybody in Ghana no biya yema no. Eyo biya wanwa. Obiya busa mo say Afenyo Markin na odi NPP edim na ono na sebio Bawumia consulting o parliamentary issue ono na chiro sa anyoma we. Time na Alban Bagbin ekasa parliament ye ka trumu asem say ya possible na we no. Afenyo Markin so call Twitter, Facebook na insembe no chiro ye mamen kan na mindwudwum. O say the law that imprisons people for their sexual orientation or who they choose to love does not protect society. Afenyo makin bro for trade no. Say it simply selects a group of human beings and makes their existence a crime. That is a line no parliament in the civilized world should cross. Afenyo makin ba social media be catch Ghana for ni wiase nyina or say omanya yetremu a nipa bi because of sebio se omo yetrumu se bema fa bema o oba fa bema o a sebio yebeye mra etia omo no ono Afenyo makin ka se saa nipa na yeye mra tie omo te se trumu fo no saa oman no enye oman ana kuru a nipa tumi tinem ebobra. In fact, I say oman bi oba na adwene se obehye mra edi etia trumu obi a oni oba ni oba da bema ne bema da oba ni aboa da bema ni aboa da na o say saa oman no na sebio omo ni atra omoninton omo ye ma na broso if the san konfo no omo ye nipa e wo se abo omo ho ban ne brofo otroye and then otroye e wo no ane Twitter page so o say oman a yetena se hyemra etia nipa bi because oye trumudifo yetie nipa bi because oye supi yetie ni bi because one aboa na da one nipa bebre ne o se saa oman no se ye hyemra tia saa nkofo na ye ne saa oman no sebio ye nye oman a nipa nyansani anani atetenemu ye ni nyansa ye tena saa oman no o se so oman ni ko enim hyemra ebetia saa nkofo na saa oman no watra ne ninton na nyansa ye wo nyansa ye nibi ye nim nipa yensanim nyansa ye de chekere man Afenyo makin a try dey way on one Facebook if you say that was when Bawumia catch and say it either he go out there defend trumu or he changes him as the leader of the party or parliament. Wamananso owie no sako Facebook intenda no Afenyo makin or running the Twitter and in the Facebook idea de bia ho no tro osako Facebook de no kotro okocho the same thing on Facebook. When a NPP minority leader. They not say a law that imprisons people for their sexual orientation or who they choose to love does not protect society. It simply selects a group of human beings and makes their existence a crime. That is a line no parliament in the civilized world should cross. Or say, oh maya, sebio ye yini pebia omuye trumu, bema ne bema da, obani obada, bema ne kramai da, obani kramai da no, omudo omuhu. Oh, as one can say, choose to love each other. Say, so be a trumu, na obani obada, bema ne bema da, bema ne kramai da, kramai no obada na omudo omuhu no. So o my krono eshemrati ya sa nkofo na sebio omu tieti omu fa ahudie so, na sa o my no. Omunim nyansa ni patnemu we Afenyo makin nsama ende oba abonchire be chro e woni social media e kire Ghana fonya anytime catch us say when we so ma start e ka say mama hama impasse bill no when we say intrum for jo timudifo no when we say for the past 2 days omugina so say omon pese bill ne be come hama ho that is Mahamudu Bawumia. That is a representation. Anything about Bawumia can never come out and speak against trumu even though or a criminal. On to me enka. This is Afenyo makin. These are his words on Facebook. Now onim obibeka say hey where the Afenyo makin say you're hacking the Facebook, you're hacking the Twitter, and you're on the troye obwa. Afenyo makin making statement we time and Ekufuado waso, time and Bawumia waso. Omo catch and say oma ho kwan na pass bill na. Omo di sika bre Bawumia any NPP may the election enya ade omo de beba. No one didn't catch and say, while man who quine, I'm a sebio, omo use no, I'm a moment man block to bill na. The basically say, omo be in every war say the leader of NPP. It took a time and Ekufuado, was so na Bawumia flag bearer no. Afenyo makin jina parliament, bien no Kansas or kind of twice. This is Afenyo makin. The first time he made a statement.
To jail a person for his sexuality or her sexuality would not be the solution in maintaining our Ghanaian family values and ensuring proper human sexual rights. Mr. Speaker, in the list such individuals who get into our jails become worse off. Mr. Speaker, as a law student, in my final year at Makola, upon visiting in Sawom with my colleagues, it became clear that inmates were being sodomized. It became clear that people were rather getting deeper into that habit and that behavioral aspect of our culture that we dislike. I dare say, Mr. Speaker, that will be retrogressive should we insist as a House on a third reading with these incarceration provisions in the bill. Jail a person for his sexuality or her sexuality would not be the solution in maintaining our Ghanaian family values and ensuring proper human sexual rights. Mr. Speaker, in the list, such individuals who get into our jails become worse off.
This is 2024. Tama ye the first bill ba original catch Ghana for say ye jaili omo mu ye trumu a na Ghana ye ko hen. O see omo a omo for omo to omo for omo ye ma omo ne mo adane. O see ebe ha ses ankofo no sebio ye de ometu fiase na ye ne ye te parliament akra no se ye masa emra no ye sha third reading ne baswa na sankofo no adan ye hu omo se mo ana. Osako denim say sia no Ghana for ntia say ukoye prisons a sebio nipa dodo no ye form to na de okohu ye no amana tiase say sankofo na omoye supi omoye eye trumu for no ono de nka o kan sese de omekoko detail ye njai na ye mo mo ntene fie enyes community service eno na hye bill ni mu no ogina parliament ka say ono de ompene so say ye be chi obi so oye trumu supi ono de 2024 say ekire ye jimi ne sankofo de be entan otankuruwam efisoko prison no we hu se nipa bi fa nipa bi to na ono de nka de o kan say nka sankofo no ye chi omo so omo ye trumu o Ghana ono de omo aban mu ni anka mememfo omo nko jail ye ma omo ntena fie na sebio ye ma gata bim no omo ntwitwum eno ana ende bill fufuri ehyema ye yi prison efrim a ye se omo nko ye de eye community service into ohu or starting from 2024 they decided to stop the bill from being passed. Now Okano another time one day that was his message.
Personally, I don't think that somebody claiming to be a lesbian or gay should go to jail by virtue of that. Personally, I don't think that somebody claiming to be a lesbian or gay should go to jail by virtue of that. Personally, I don't think that somebody claiming to be a lesbian or gay should go to jail by virtue of that.
This Afenyo marking. It is a already sani tweet way and or catch a Ghana for say on my ye betim ye be pass mbra etia trumu sankofo no adentine wo say ye mbra tia omo o man na obeye sa no because sankofo no do omo ho obi a ofa nipa to be ma ofa be ma to oba one oba da be ma one aboa da aboa one be ma da o say ye hye tia omo a because omo do omo ho adane ye hye mbra tia omo one na cross ade we inti medoko 2024 in sama ono abi na no kan ye say adan na obi ye trumu obi fa obi be ma chi ni de adenti na wo se sankofo edu ko tu fi ase. That is Afenyo market. And because of Endra omoni Bawumia shia ya Bawumia man ultimatum say so when tumi anko defend the trumu ama one ne nkofo na stop him Mahama from signing a omo be yi na free leadership of minority in parliament eno and after the way in so that is his defense or the protecting the Juma. He has supported this for years. But mo Ghana for can be say NPP for nya montiasie. Enya me na make so e Afenyo mark na kasa or no ne tweety way or ne troye. And these are things ye can nyina kyerem say Mahama be breast or be sani below the NPP for ye. Because Bawumia catch Romo, way every Mahamudu Bawumia, he instructed him to go out to the intimidation from Ochina Kono. On said and saying, Dominina no, Yantiasia, Bill no, Adentina Bela, Mwako from 2022, 23, 24. And they are passing most of Montiasie. I didn't know Montiasie. Bill, no, see any idea, no man fanship. No, the Ghanaian wanted that bill passed. Ghana bill, near passing. And that is the most dangerous part that they catch Ghana for. NPP for dangerous. This bidding he's doing it for Bawumia. And in the last matter I'm catching Krimu for say, Mahmoud Bawumia Brabon Chilebe can't Ghana for say Utia Trumu on to Minka. He can't because 90% of his fans are or their campaign are Europeans that demand. And in Kophobia gays or lesbians or kata. San Kophone and the Tam Sikama Bawumia and into the Wabeshap Afenyo market say on yan bedding mano because he is the leader of the party. And Mahmoud Bawumia. De bia me kabi bichire mo munjindi on se ende belan na da hono on se ende Afenyo market na ba abontene wa mamati ase. That is what the NPP and in 2024 they never passed the bill. Sa ade na hwe de in 2024 time on pass the bill ni wi a omo de come kufu ado no Afenyo market we ya akwara oye djuma no law firm the last guy and the assembly court bu sa ho say na Afenyo market no dey no a majority leader. Ghana has said somebody who works in Afenyo market's law firm on the case in the court. Into we the kufu the car say the case court into bill mamon famba. The question here is then free baby but Afenyo market no a majority leader no the law firm the last guy or Juma on the case in the court. It was planned from 2024. Omo bill no man passed it was deliberate and now they still want to stop Mahama from passing the bill. And it's like they are doing everything. It's me mom dada. This is the NPP. Mahmoud Bawumia strategy. This is his plan. Twitter, Facebook, hey. So what is you say? Afenyo market so be hacking na obwa na video na bocho ya hacking. Afenyo market mo and the NPP for you're hacking in Facebook no, you're hacking in Twitter omo. It's a verified page. And it's very difficult to hack it. And if you are able to hack a verified page, it doesn't take you less than an hour to retrieve your page. Nobody is saying a verified page cannot be hacked. But if somebody is able to break that chain to hack a verified page, then it means you retreating it and coming back on air will not take you less than a month. Yes. So Afenyo marking, this is what the NPP Bawumia they represent. This is them. But I can't be bicham Ghana for a month. Ana de bia muso Kevin Taylor did yatem. Andre Chira Mekachem say, Mahmoud Bawumia ne show much. Let me tell you, the NPP as a political party, Omono, the strategy is Omobeye Bibia to make sure Mahama does not pass the bill. I'm telling you, Omobeko court. Omo free quarter, they will start visiting National House of Chiefs. They will start visiting religious leaders. Omo Babe Yizu, Omo communication group no to call for an how do they call it event. So yeah frame am for yeah fra so for yeah be fra him for omo yina ba be share akra yeah be cancel no. That is what they are going to do. They are going to now infiltrate a him for. They are going to infiltrate in sorry omo ba be rewura no mo de omo yina be gina nkran say yeah be se animu din komo. The idea ni yina say yeah Mahama pressure mama then sign it and Mahama is going to struggle to sign this bill, but I know John Mahama will sign this bill. It is going to be difficult because NPP, no, Mahmoud Bawumia, no, the 90% is sick of the campaign. If Europe, I feel what you say. This is Afenyo marking. Wachro aka. So when put the anke the auditor and kwane kachwa. And Kabaka say, Kevin Taylor, or time Afenyo and wabe ready. Where ye Afenyo marking na wachro aiden. Asaka. You see? So we need to understand, say, MPP now muhunisano. It does not, Mr. P, I don't have it now. Try and get it for me right now, Mr. S. MPP now muhunisano. It is not there for you. The MPP, they are doing everything possible to stop John Mahama from signing the bill, from signing, putting his signature under to make it law. They are doing everything possible to stop it. I'm trying to find something to show you. Mr. P, Mr. S, find it for me. You get it? It's Ghana for me, very alert. Let's not, they are going to, but can just say the interest of the NPP, is to make sure this bill is not signed. The interest of the NPP, is to make sure this bill is not signed. And that is what you are seeing today. Don't get me wrong. Every time any Ghana focus and I'm a kind of correction, and I'm going to say my time will be no. And you are seeing the reality. Oh, say and a soft will be because they know said this is what the NPP is doing. Messiah, get it for me. I have a video to show you. It's mommy underestimating what we are seeing. No. Do not ever, never underestimate the Afenyo market natural because that is Bawumia's stance. That is Mahmoud Bawumia's stance. Baby Bawumia Jinano and no na Afenyo market na catch them when ne. If you are Ghanaian, then I will change. You have to support for the president to sign a yes bill no. Na yina who say yes. It's a and a whole political party. But get it for me. I am trying to find something for you to watch. I am trying because you see, the echoes no ehu. And let me tell you, say ya may anya ding na ya kanu crunch re ho a sa NPP for we ade bi o me no omo be sei kro no. I'm telling you, say ya may anya ding na ya kanu crunch re ho a sa NPP for we ade o me ade Afenyo market e will say eye obia wan everybody should be scared. Besides, I can't find it. Besides, I can't find it. To make it short, no. So you're Ghana near and who's Afenyo market in parliament. NPP for Jinaho. Say for the past 3 days, it has been their message. Bill no, ya chance ni pet. Ya edit bill no, ya water it down. Omo tweet your coffee bento moka and kofobi. Munka send ye be ya pressure by the president so on signing. This is the meaning. Ta uktie wedding na a strong wedding. Or say the law that imprisons. Or say emra. Edin kofobe to efiasia. Sebio people for their sexual orientation. Or say emra ye be sha edin ni papa kwa to fiasi if you say be man be da. Oba ni oba da. Trumu koso. Eye oba ni krama da. Or say emra ekrobi be she. Say sebio obi aya na adwene say obedi trumu ede kwa to fiase no. Or say sankofo no eyodo na omo they choose to love each other. Bema ne do bema no one bema da eyodo. Oba do oba no one oba da eyodo. Or say sankofo no omo do nkrama nti omne nkrama da. Omo do mwa nti omne mwa. Or say ekura ebe shemra etia sa odo a ewo sankofo ni ntemu no. Or say that ekuro no sa society no na omo nim nyansa. Asama Afenyo market control you know. Or say sa de ekuro no sa oman no omnim nyansa. Okore no say it simply select a group of human beings and make their existence a crime. Or say sa kro no na so mabo mutimu po say sa nipa no omo pese omo asasi so omo ti asase so keke krampa be ma ne be ma da oba ne oba da na so omo pese omo bu omo kunfo omo pese omo bra no omo ba no omo nsa e obra bone keke ono de ohun ne sa ono de ohun ne sa okore nim no o say that is a line no parliament in the civilized world should cross. Or say sadie no e ya dia parliament bi ani wiase a e wo say sebio otu sa na mo no se obehemra etia trumu krama ni obada oba ni krama da. Or say eni se sadie no enisa sadie no sebio parliament bi a wo wiase bi a eye nyansa for parliament no enisa sa parliament no e hye sa embra no. Mrs. I can't find it here. Na momienko enim enti the ball is your court we dey mwangasa mun sem na da Afenyo market mamu bibi Bawumia gina eni ntia de bi am ka che Ghana for say mumbusa Bawumia say trumu no gina he on so wa edin enso ka chem so ye nkremoni mate se ne yire aka trumu ho asem da enso so ye nkremoni maka chem say Bawumia ne yire obe munafiki fuku sa nkofo mienu no omunye nkremu for papa de bia mu hia Bawumia mumbusa ne say wo stance ne sen trumu we yem pass na me yem pass ontumi ma wo answer da anything about Bawumia entumi grant interviews no anything ontumi ko internationally enko tena ma broni toto na no te said ye toto mahama no anything ontumi avail ne ho for Ghana media to question him. It is because the financiers of his political career, the campaign no komuno, a trumu for more Europe, and eshe, omunomudi sikaneba. I am telling you. Me American amete, or mine ametimuno, omunji trumu ana omuji tumo, I hanamete. I need to abide by it. America, trumu, yajia tumu. Ahanamete. Even though minye trumu no, I need to live by their rules. It is a Ghana Parliament, at the Mraba. Ghanaians have no option than to live by that law. And into the Kromana no, America for aji trumu minye trumu so metia mintu ye. If we say at the end of the day, a mra a bo no by I cannot only Kevin Taylor get up and say mitia samra no menemra ne kokon mi kokon bi. I can't, because your mind bia ne mra o mind bia ne mra. Anytime meti hey e kura mi tim tumu for bebre e o tumu for mo ye namfofo ye hu omo and sorry restaurant e kuro ne mo mra o magia tum aha na me di mi pa aha na meti. I have no option. Say me pet tumu or say me ne mba ne kasa na me hwe me maye. If I can't do anything about it, I can't do anything about it, because aha ne mra na sa na tie. Inti Ghana, ashemra, parliament na ashemra, but a parliamentarian, because omunim se samra ne betia omusika omubenya, because Mahmoud Bawumia nim se sa sika no ebetia omumra. Ekroma etin se so ntumi ware mienu. No polygamy in America. Se be pese me ware mienu kura me ntumi. Ye chime a ye bejele me. Sa na Ghana emra no ma ho kwan se obetuma ware mienu. Ye won kremofo mu America, omu ware mienu. Ade nti no mo ware mienu, because emra ne tia. Inti so be ware mienu kura baaku ye unofficial and baaku ye official. Baaku ni din nim krata mu. Oba krom ha nkremofo mo ha no, so ma ware baaku mienu miensa, baaku pe na ne din wo krata mu. Mienu ne miensa mo so so obi adi ni krata mu. Ye be kire se mienu miensa din won krata mu, ye be kire na tum. They don't have any option. As much as they are Christians, Muslims are, or some of them are because of my no mutimono embra tiano, they can do it officially. And the same as Ghana. Entire day na Afenyo marking or shemra, what's not parliament, a shemra, and what I know Bekacham say, Embrana Yasheno, Sebio, ya Ghana for Sebio amount for Domo. It shows the double standards. It shows the lies. It shows that you cannot trust the NPP as a political party. They are dangerous. They are not principled. These are people you cannot trust in anything. Now, I mentioned what DB. You say, DB Koso. You say, sometimes you say, almost a year. This is 2024. We all saw in Ghana how Trumu for campaigned, seriously campaigned for Mahmoud Bawumia. We were here. And Bawumia met them in Ghana. Me okura me timu Trumu. How come? We will deal with you. 2024 campaign. How Bawumia endorsed Trumu or Ghana. How the NPP, they said nothing about Trumu for Omutisi Kruma. They were all campaigning for Bawumia. Did anybody say anything? No. The NPP, they know what they are doing. And until man pass a bill, no. This is 2024. Mahmoud Bawumia. It's only 24 campaign. Ampe Oshiwa. Ampe. Yeah. When the NPP for now you see and yeah, baby see 24-hour economy market. Now you see Kofobim free as I see so now you starting see market na hwede esi. See NPP, we imponchi free wo no more. Yeah.
Nana bia mi wai nana bia mi na ya mobo bia ye nana ye bia ye nyo nana do dan kwa akufo do bia ye what bia ye nana ko mo ya pa stand ya ba ya mo mo ya kama cash ya da so ya stand ya dia ya no so ya nya ho ya ga mo mo ya ka ma cash ya da no mo ya
mamo notice for you
ya 3 days ya chupa. Abana ni say. 3 days ya ayi. Osomu nsia. Nsia no so asama ye kokro motia to abama. Wo ba ya, wo be ye, wo be di ehwamo. Na na sai bra. Sai ko fa ye nchiri hi. Na na hi ye. Ododa de me ba ti ni o. Na na bi e wase. Na na do. Bi me throw maba. Yeah, me what it? Nana, yeah, walk of Fiska, yeah, my man was to your time, Yamoyana is a dust man. What?
My catch them say, we momo Jimmy. Almost Jimmy, Omunina no Madam, NPP for yes, moon through your bear market. Won't your own the way Amadania Diano. We momo ya moi. These are not people. Only omo gene say odo bechichire man dodo na Jimmy omo so omo Jimmy omo nyina no mabodam. That is MP. I know them. Hwe de omo yom ho omo kankan bi hwe ye tumu efiri ho because ya be mam mbrase muntu omo ko pe NPP shirt ase mono ye ko yi party office de bro omo raise omo ma NPP omo raise omo ma se moa enti sa de we na mo ye na market no ye jaisi na ye nyina akoto abama NPP mu ye nwan mu ye ntwamoa hwe mo ho apetehia bi hwe mo ho apetehia bi Jimmy sao me say na me ka bi nchro Ghana ha. And with all due respect, the alma nipa bebre and the Ghana oh yeah sebio asantini na obeka politics and a man for treaty and say the day I beto about Ghana we team na ye bobo aba e wo Ghana wo de nya abotre na study me nya akwara o adekudi enti and the Ghana for se sebio bi asantini enyo mu nyina na oya politics and a man for dinner term e kas na nimbie ye kura sini no ma me nkire o se ye to about Ghana ha the day Abebo Abano, actually, so 3 days. 3 days, everybody goes back to work. Obi or NPP atadie, it was Central Region, Eastern Region, Volta Region, yeah, other regions, no. After actually, so 3 days, after they celebrate, especially in Bano, Ober Court Market, no more than good them, then they start to work. You to about 6 months, 7 months, a year, Obeko Kumasi. Asantime mukejetia do bi da mo NPP shirt e di bo ekutia. That is how low-minded some of them are. Omo bi bia politics in Germany take advantage of some of them. I am telling you. Study Ghana pa. Ya koto aba, ya bobo aba, whether NPP wins, NPP loses, NDC stronghold or whatever, obi or support to NDC biano. Actually, so 3 days whether they win or lose, you don't see them wear the shirt again. Whether NDC wins, whether NDC loses, Oko Volta region, Obekono Bia or Natadi Gudem, Washana Tadi Oko Juma, Obi Otonadio Jumbiano, Washefia Tadi Fofro, Obi or Central region, Greater Accra. It is only in Ashanti region, yet to be to a whether NPP wins or loses. Into their life, you get to see, say, majority of them, Sebio, Obamudi NPP, they grow up and think like animals. They cannot live their life without making it look like Obi Time MPP. Aye Jimmy, I say a near bomo. Oyomo shienye. Adewe. Now, and then the best stop it 24-hour economy nana. And then the best stop it a Ghana fro say Sebio may yen puntiana. And then a bemo be atwama Bawumia. Jimmy. You can see it from them. They are see yanyai omumubi MPP for yanyai omu ya to a bro. Ya to a bro no most so ko sit down and analyze. Ya to about Ghana we are actually so 3 days. Every single part of Ghana, especially Volta region. I want to make me free. Nako Central region. After 3 days, who so be to jom eshe NDC and MPP atade edi bo ekutia edi yejuma who be da. Brakeje tiabehe. After 3 years, and the obekonom na woshe MPP atade no di bo ekutia say eye damo say ye jimio. They can't let politics go. They can't let defeat go. They cannot let their affiliation to political party into party who almost ye moa. So the party treats them and into the MPP bas antimema a gaily t-shirt any day a mukonko because they have studied them. My research who say asante for to do the MPP just say moi. I'm telling you, and the few of them are smart, who light, they are the ones who are forcing for development to come home. Intendo ba Santimemwa, there were a group of Asante in and out Asante. They are forcing for development. They are supporting the government. They believe it's a toa baby. They are Santiman hiano, Asante hiano, or say in a can hubum, they are prima or minor, Sabio abine de ba. A do no moya zoo for no. In Kamwana, ko kwafifi omotuno, omo, they can't change. A typical example is this group of foolish piglets.
Nana BMY, Nana BMI, Mobo, BA, Nana BA, Nana Dudankwa, Akufa, BA, what's the BA? BA, come on, stand here by your come on, cash,
Mo what to say no. What do one baba dahi? Dear Yana say, my men can be Ghana for is a painful truth by Meka. Oh, Omudu do no tonkwasi about Munkrasi we are no better. They don't want development in their village, and when they come to Accra, na di mpunti obape almost penny into be likes we no gun crying. The moment at the Metropolitan Assembly and crying for Metro for person we be on crino, then you see these animals pop up. These are the same people who didn't put to the Kroma on pet. Or sorry, I know to the Kroma cross, no about crying. Yeah, but yeah, they also on Tiasia. We need to be very calculated. Or see, I share these kind of creatures near pet zoo video mugu because see a giant kwasia for webi. Now they distract our development any vision. A crown and kwaso. Missing kwasia for bush almost free. Who a crew of watch now. Messay, sign come away. So who's some way side way one crying. No more Jimmy wants a bush and say, Mammy, now free. Or Bok Rodichrawa. Uboku say, a way sakatu, with him sakatu. What's that a year in Mokia bear 56,000 as well to Chrome. On prim punto mother crassy. On prim punto free baby or take baby or free. Or but crying near the punto baby or see tiasie. Nanamra. Nanantorre say. And they're all over the place. Baby, what they do is say punto ba so to someone pray. Yarin the ass and to 40 be a better so to I don't know. That is how they are. Take your time. Baby Ampunto Bekobia, Nipe rise up against Imputuno. Nami Anama Santifodi be NPP to war. Because you see, they were not brought up to understand the say, I was say with Jim Puntio too, and not the air bonjono momo. It's what they do, and they say, so I'm a petit wo crodimoa. Baby Ampunto baby, I don't say. That is what they do, some of them. And especially, Oma inherit NPP conceptualization, no. So NPP concept, no, it does not matter where they are. So Chim bini ni adosona num inkwala brem ni ade che nyame a baby obegine bia no yempem puntio me se busankrantie we this grass cutter so omukrom wen na kohwe omukrom you be shocked eno no mo de aban kran into be wom nananom omo so eden Ghana say
akue cha metetafo na me baton fish ewo asafo market ya me be wan wo hwe me da bia no pa me so de a oyem tema me awia ne ama me eto fufu awime so ne asebo me efiri se dum so ba me ba no fish adaka duasa ne akoto agu kwa eti na me ba no wonya sika ma me na me de didi efira no pa me ba me ni di yo eno ani bodo se hwan ana me du han ma to bi di me ba nya sika ma me wo bo se ante se di adwuma no nya dum so abro wa de me na ye nyira firi dum so me ti asi me dem me sum ho ne mu ya ansa me da fom birim mama adai Adiani I maya wabre want to mama want to samia. Mama mi huna mani say. To me tell me where demonstration and make one mako come some to watch them mama. No whom my block. Let them say when yana me bed.
Washisham komono. Now Jin say Samba mi nu ya nkranti omusu. Oji say baby ekotu omo no NDC for nim. Oji say omo no mo hona yetu omo AC 24-hour market no CPP for nim. Oji say omo yetu omo no Afenyo for nim. Oji say omo etu omo party fufuro fo ni o. Who so bia kofa the political party abehye ejimi no ho. It is only the NPP. 24-hour market no mu kem say danan samra no. Oji say omo mienu nkwa na net asase no so. Ye wo NDC for mo to abama NDC a yetu omo. Who say NDC nya kofa sheta behye ebegina say yes rewo mahama watibi. Otibi omo ye nwan. They are not the only people who were there. There were hundreds of people working there. And they say, are buying at the market this place to be for 24-hour market to be built. Who will say NDC for Mbabia Kofa Shet Abegino say, Omu to Abama John Mahama, Omu to Abama NDC. Now where dear say Omo, Oji say NDC Mbabia Ko ABB. Oti say CPP for Mbabia Koshenta Adia Begina Ho. Oti say Afenyo for Koshata Adia Begino. Adentina NPP for Nkwa. Ataria Shomo Mono, Yakote free Wom some Munshan campaign. Omwe Jimmy. Omusa near the Ochimbi so muhinimua, the other can be a bomb. Monsieur Omubi, Omusa, na Ochimbini, ya mexe, our cocoa capum, near the end Sassum, Senia wo Onquara brim, ya the end Sabon so na toka tramaso, ya sinsia and so, and Sansa, Omono, NPP for the Binunquara brim no, ya 2 dia, ya the end Sabo Chinim binim, near the Som Catramaso, near the Som Hinim, Bibia bomb on a Bibia no more day, Omwe Jimmy. Eurade. Men call for NPP for emu mane mema omuso omo jimi omu nyina no mabodam. That is what you are witnessing. Ebinie and ahunu clearly. I'm not lying to you. No credit nie.
Nana bia mi wai. Nana bia mi na ya mobo. Bia ye. Nana ye bia ye nyo. Nana do dankwa. Akufo adu bia ye. What bia ye? Bia ye. Nana come on my stand ya ba ya. Come on come on cash ya. That's why ya stand ya ya. Ya no so ya nya ho. Yeah,
notice what you
These are very dirty people. Makachi Musa, they are dirty people. Very, very dirty. And I'm warning Ghanaians about the NPP. Hey, NPP only dangerous. Obi also only illiterate. Share. Oh, we NPP for the Munko school. Hey, the Wako school, the Unko school, only a deadly to say cobra, only dangerous. Man, underestimate NPP for Jimmy. Hey, only him no cre. Only to the attract to Tima. Already been probably say a throw a call. I am telling you. Mema Ghana they be underestimate NPP near with Jimmy. Hey. They know BBI no krebi omunim. But you see, they have positioned themselves in a way they can fool you. Ometumi Jimmy Omuana wa junior so nyomu yepe. I am telling you. Debi am catch Ghana for say wona munwurem. Before I end this show, say wona munwurem na wo chireben cobra na obekun na wo NPP ni o hye NPP shirt. Mesraw. Din kan ku NPP ni no hye shirt no fa no chichere dan ho. Edua bi wa chichire ni bom. Na man the poison ndi. Answer on the cobra na kokon because NPP ni a we Jimmy. MPP ni a on kanokre. MPP ni a or acted as a mokuya or your dangerous chain. Chireben 30,000. Ha! Tie, answer na mekono. Say futu away. Mon kwarara mu nyini mo fan to trim. Me so na mu wuram na ko hu 50,000 no mu nyina ba. Omo ye cobra. Omo ye say. He. Na hu MPP ni ba ko. A o say MPP shirt o nwure ni mu a. Din kan chichire ni boduam. Chechire MPP ni boduam ansana ne wo nako cause wo de obo na omba o kisi not MPP no a dangerous chain wo 50,000 omo ye dangerous omo ne from cobralization MPP ni ko koma wo ne bribe na wo ne kun owia no de wo nako ye nkwan omo ye demonic people it is onam wuram na wo 30 no mo be kun na wo MPP ni o MPP shirt chi no mantam ni boduam first din kanchi MPP ni no na mantam fa ne boduam MPP ni osaya santini hye ne boduam tie usha wo 50,000 wo wuram na hu MPP ni baako din kanchi MPP no asantini ne chichire ne boduam na fa palok to ano ansa na wo face wo no because MPP ni baako a danger chain cobra 50 and then am the beja all these things
the MPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. The MPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated.